The Costa del Sol is an amazing place on the southern coast of Spain. We fly into Malaga, which is in Andalusia. It extends for quite a ways, and the metro covers a good part of it. It's our last day in Spain, and we fly to Portugal today, but before we leave, we're going to meet an old friend and have a coffee. It's been a great trip. Olga loves Torremolinos, and
it's been really good.
Yeah, it did not disappoint. And like I think I said earlier, it's a little above our budget, but we figured out how to make salads at home. And I made pasta on the stove in our B&B last night while Olga was sleeping, so life is good. See you in Portugal.
Oh my God.
This gives you an idea of all the destinations within driving a day trip range. The galore, it's like a canyon. Granada, spectacular sights, and it goes back to Moorish ruins. And Nerja, that is the northeastern end of the Costa del Sol, sort of beyond Malaga. Cordova, Sevilla, I think that's about a 3-hour bus ride to the north. We've gone there, incredible city, a lot of sights. Tangier, like that would be going over to Morocco, and you can do that by ferry. Of course, Gibraltar. Muas, that's a small one. These are Marbella and Baños. Those are small towns. Marbella is really fancy. Ronda and Centenil. That's inland from here, and as you can see, big fort up on a hill.
We rounded off with Fuengirola and Benalmádena.
Hi, we are Olga and Daniel.
Our pleasant journeys.
We backpack all over the world. It's an open-ended trip with many twists and turns.
Olga's the active one. I make movies and like coffee yoga. And these are
our pleasant journeys.
We'll start our tour in Torremolinos, where we spend most of our time.
Okay, I made it to the end of the boardwalk, going in the direction north. If you continue, and you can continue, you'll end up in the airport or Barcelona, whatever. So, yeah, I'm not sure how far it was, this run, but I shall measure that when I get home. My phone isn't quite working. So, on the return now, it is a beautiful, spacious place, this malecon. Although there are lots of tourists, they come out a little later in the morning. And this is the extreme north, so most don't make it this far. They will go towards the center, where Torremolinos town is. Okay, onwards with the run. Let's go back now.
So the plan is I'll walk Olga down to the beach, and then I'll make my way back, and we'll meet up later.
You have to be prepared to walk some steps and deal with elevation if you come here to Torremolinos, level upon level. There's always the next level. If you're willing to walk, you can usually find a gradual incline and make your way up gently over maybe a kilometer. Olga likes the straightforward up 500 steps method, and I have to give her a lot of credit. She was a little bit tired from having been sick in Holland, and she's been out every day running, and she's back to 90%, she said. This is on the southern end of Torremolinos towards Benalmádena, and there's 3 or 4 major towns, Marbella, and all the way to almost Gibraltar. That's still considered Costa del Sol. La Línea de la Concepción. Little town. You can see Gibraltar out your window. I hear the puppy. Must be up on one of the balconies. Hi, kid.
We eat a lot of salad here. This 1 kg mixed salad was only €2. We had olives and mushrooms and tomatoes and hummus. If you enjoyed the video,